Here's a new 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. When your livelihood depends on whether your truck can handle the load, this is the one to buy. It comes with all the amenities you need: V8 engine, electronic shift on the fly, driver selectable mode, trailer brake controller, streaming audio, smartphone wireless charging, air conditioning, trailer hitch receiver, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com reports the Silverado pickup is just as adept at serving as the weekday family car as it is at transporting home improvement supplies or towing a boat on the weekends. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
For the past 20 years, Williams has delivered the best service, the best experience, and the best selection in northern Michigan. We're conveniently located at 2600 North US Highway 31 South in Traverse City, Michigan.